Hi there, Spark fans. Rob Reynolds here with a special Tuesday video. For the past few weeks, I've been talking about color mixing and RGB. I've also talking about Python programming and our LumiDrive and our LuMini LED rings. Well, thought I'd put them all together in a project and came up with this, the Lord of the Ring Lights. It's pretty straightforward. You can read all about it on our blog post today. But the idea of a ring light is to give even illumination on close-ups. It's also good if you're doing portraiture to get that cool ring light in people's eyes. Real simple. I've got the LumiDrive inside on the top. I've got the LuMini ring around the lens itself. On the back, I've got dials for hue and saturation, and then buttons up and down for value. So you can easily control the value. Oh, I'm sorry, the saturation. That's saturation. No saturation to full saturation. You can spin it around through all of the hues, giving you way more options than any other ring light on the market. And the beauty part is, this isn't even on the market. You get to make it yourself. Oh, look at that. Perfect illumination all the way around. Wizard, you shall not pass! So that's it. Check it out over at sparkfun.com and happy hacking.